Hi guys, welcome again. So, just gonna show you one or two things. So this is the GoPro 5. It's given me a little bit of problem, and that needs to be fixed. And that's what you call a gimbal, guys. The GoPro attaches to the top here, and then you're able to use it. Gives you a nice even flow of the picture, if you can say that. So the GoPro 8 has arrived, and I'll show you a picture just now. And the next item I want to show you is the drone. So that's the Phantom 3. So we're going to use this, I think, for the sardine run. So we'll get that going, and I'll quickly show you the GoPro 8. So guys, also that's a new GoPro 8. So as you know, I was recording on a 7, and it did give me some trouble, and I sent it in for repairs, and I decided that the 8 would possibly be the next best bet, guys. So I've got it just arrived. So tomorrow we'll be using that. So I thought I had to show you this, guys. The gimbal, the GoPro 8, the GoPro 5 that needs to be fixed, and then the Phantom 3 I'll probably use that on the sardine run. So guys, I just thought I'd show you that, and hopefully the pictures would be much more clearer. So guys, take care. Cheers. Sorry guys, there's just one more camera I want to show you. So I use this Canon, and that's the camera that gives me the zoom. So there you have it, guys. Use that possibly in the sardine run. It just depends. I fish alone, so all the equipment needs to be carried by myself. So hopefully my permit for the vehicle will be renewed, and I will be able to drive on the beach and possibly carry all these items. So it's not possible to carry these items by yourself. You got to be extremely careful, because if you lose them, you got to replace them. So I thought I'd just show you that. So guys, take care. Cheers.